Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. As you can see, I'm doing some yard work today and I have to change this trimmer head right here. Let me show you how to do it. Now, as you can see right here, this trimmer head has lost its middle part that is feeding out the trim line. It actually happened somewhere around this yard. I could not find it, so I prepared my old used one, and today we will change this. You just need to find a hole in this holder right here, and there it is. If it's a little bit dirty, make sure you clean it to find this hole. Basically, you just need a small screwdriver, put it in there and just rotate this trimmer head like this until that screwdriver falls into a hole. There it is. Right there, it's in a hole. This rotating system in there, it's locked and you can screw off this trimmer head. Make sure you do it counterclockwise. Oh, it's off. This one needs to stay here. This is now the perfect opportunity to clean this part right here. As you can see, you have some grass here that is probably 2 years, 3 years old. Here I will show you this mechanism from the inside. As you can see, here is the hole where this screwdriver goes, and then on this part right here, if you rotate it enough, there's a one hole in there also. So just this is how you lock this mechanism. Once this mechanism is locked, you can take a new trim head and just put it on there. Nice. Make sure you have it tight. First, put in the spring. After the spring, you will put this inner part, but first make sure you put this trim line into the holes. Okay, now this can be a little bit tricky with the spring inside, but I'm sure you can do it. Nice. And now just put this cover right on there. Have I forgot anything? I don't think so. Okay, now as you can see, if this trim line is too long, just cut it with the pliers. Cool. There you have it, guys. Quick and easy way to change your trimmer head. The point is to find this small hole right here on the trimmer holder and basically to turn this trimmer head counterclockwise. Let's put it to work. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.